Okay, the question is find common characters, and I'm going to summarize the question. I'm not going to read it, and so the question is actually telling you to find a common character for a given string array, and for each string you do store each character and counting the number of the frequency. So B occur 1, E occur 1, L occur 2, A occurs 1, and label and then order it, and then you do use the int array for each string. So my idea is create a common array, and you change the common array every single time when you finish one string, and to find out the minimum value for each counting array. So you get what I'm saying. So common new int 26, but I need to initialize, so I can initialize to the maximum value, so you don't actually get my integer value. So inside each string, right, I do say I need to create a counting array to count the number of the characters. So cnt c minus a, you need to get more frequency writing the counting array. So after finish the counting array, I need to modify my common array to minimum counting array. So integer.maximum will not store in here, because the given string will not be this big. So it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like this, right? And for each string, you update to the minimum. So since L occurs twice, right? Twice. The L will be 2. And for the example 2, core, lock, cook, O occurs 2 times, but O occurs 1 here. So the common array for the O is 1. But the answer, you are going to return the answer for the list of string, right? So what you actually need to do, since the common array is what we store, right? Store if the common array is not equal to 0 or greater 0, right? What do we add? We add the string into it. So the tricky way is use like this char, and since we minus a when we count it, so we plus a, and then we return the answer. And I think that will be it, and let's double check. Okay, so the minimum. Okay, so the problem is I have multiple value for the counting I, so I cannot just write like this. I need to loop through it. In j equals 0, j less than comma I, j plus. So you will loop twice, right? You will loop twice, and it doesn't matter for inside. I mean, I'm not going to change the character inside the looping. So if L occurs 2 times, right, you will loop twice. So let's try again. Sorry for making mistake, but it happens. Okay, so idea is use a common array, and you use the you create a temporary counting array for each string, and then you store to the common array by using the minimum value. And later on, you just create a list of string and then store into it. So don't forget, if you have 2, then you have to loop through 2 times, and if you have 1, you just loop through 1 time. And the space and time, so space all of 26 and all of 26 and then all of 26 for each string. So all of 26 plus all of 26 plus all of 26, you plus n time, right? Or n plus 1 time. So it's going to be all of n, maybe all of n plus time, all of n times 26. So it should be constant. And the time is all of n that you loop through each string. So time doesn't matter. Time is the same. So later on, you store into the answer list of string, and then you'll get it. Alright, peace out.